Hey guys, we're the premium design service team here at Spreadshop. We're going to play a fun game with you guys today. Well, we're going to play with ourselves. You guys are going to watch us play this. It's called Pictionary. DJ's going to start. He's got a word he's got to draw. We got to guess it. We don't know what it is. We're wearing our team blue colors. He's wearing a black shirt.
Team black.
Yeah, very morbid.
All right.
We got this.
All right, let's start with the first word.
All right, let's do it.
Winner buys drinks.
So, I'll turn a little bit so you can see.
Straight line.
No.
Got it. House.
Ah, box. Those look like feet. Oh boy.
All right.
Oh, it's a garage door half open. A shed?
You have something. It is a garage door of some kind.
A garage band. Is there going to be a band inside of there?
Well,
There's a car in a garage.
you just said garage, so it's in a garage. I was going to draw the whole car in there. But, you know. Okay, cool. You guys go.
Nice.
It's hard to draw it backwards
Yeah, it
like
is.
that, huh? Do you want to go?
All right, you got to try.
Alright. We'll do it over this thing. Alright, we'll pick a new word.
By the way, your designs will look way better than this
Yeah,
nonsense.
put that on a shirt. Alright. Let's see. Alright, I got one.
All right, let's.
Ignore this
Yeah.
flying man. I'll draw right here.
Wine glass.
Beer.
Root beer float. It's a Sunday. All
Yeah.
right.
My favorite day of the week.
Is
Alright, one last
Alright.
go.
Yep.
everything?
Need some like transitional music.
Where's the
Do,
actual?
do, do, do.
I'm gonna read it while you're reading it.
There's some weird ones. Okay, we got one.
Are you trying to pick a hard one?
Alright.
All right. I'm gonna draw
Yeah.
on this dining
Hold it
guy
up a
here.
little bit. Yeah. Okay. It's a stick. It's a
It's a table?
cube. It's a brick.
It's a coffin?
It's a white picket fence.
It's sidewards. It's a ladder on the ground.
You're about to draw a dumpster fire.
Staircase.
Piano.
Ah.
Yeah.
Piano man.
Well,
Hello,
that's-
Joel. Well, that was it.
That was
I think
it.
we all won. We all won a little something today.
Yeah.
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 You were the quickest, though.
Need
You were the
discussion.
You
fastest.
guys you played this
Yeah.
game before. Yeah.
That's what I do on my off days.
Cool. So send us your scribbles, and we can make them into cool designs.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
so they will look better than these. Unless you really like these, we can
good
get these printed
style.
for you.
We
Yes.
can print these for you
Yeah.
if you like.
What is this, grunge? You think this is grunge?
Yes.
Yeah, it's art.
It's kindergarten grunge. Well, till next time.
Yeah, thanks for joining us, guys.
See ya.